Hi everybody, this is the tutorial that explains how to reach Citrix and how to use the FileMaker application for the systemic review data collection. Please open your browser, which is Safari for Mac users and which is Internet Explorer strictly for Windows user. Please go to apps.ospedaleuniverona.it, which is written in the tutorial. Insert your username and your password, which are provided by us, and click log on. At this point, check that the FileMaker icon displays in the window, so you will know that FileMaker application is configured for you. Then click on desktops and Avio desktops, which means the starting of desktop application. I will execute the Citrix in a window, so I will minimize Safari. By default, Citrix will use the resolution of your screen. If you want to change the resolution or other setting, you must do it before starting the desktop. Now we need to wait a bit, but here we are. Citrix desktop is on. FileMaker icon is here. Please double click on the icon, FileMaker icon, and let FileMaker start. It's gonna start with a splash screen, which we're gonna close because we need to open a specific FileMaker profile, which is hosted on FileMaker server in Verona. So Citrix will build a standard Windows XP environment over your OS. FileMaker Pro will open, and you see this splash screen, rapid start of FileMaker Pro. So please click cancel or annulla, which is cancel, and go to File, then apri remoto, which means open remote, and find this text field, which is percorso file di rete, which means LAN path, and write the line I've provided in the written tutorial: fmnet dot slash column slash srv win 0203 /brain, and click apri, which means open. Now FileMaker Pro asks for a username. Username is your name, plain, without capital letters, without any other thing, except for Dr. Talaki and Barbara, but they will know that. So please put in your name and click OK. I will put in mine, and then I will click OK. This is the real application. FileMaker Pro shows us the menu. The menu is a window which you shouldn't close once it's open. So it has 3 buttons: a review paper, which sends you to a layout which asks for the code of the paper you wanna review. View my reviews let you see a list of your reviews, of your past reviews, and if you click on one item of the list, you will be able to modify it. Compare reviews is a button that at this time is not important. So let's start with the first, review a paper. I'm gonna review a paper. Click review a paper, insert the paper code, for example for adenomas A002. The code list, the code corresponding to the paper is has been sent to you. So every paper that has been selected for the review has a code. You can just put in the code and click review. Once you've done that, you will you are in the EDEF, the electronic data extraction module. Here there are title, journal, year, first author. You don't need to put in this information because in the next days this information will auto-compile according to the code. So this is a standard module. So these are text field, these are option field, which means that you need to put only one value, or yes, or no, or not available. This is standard square, so you can put more than one. And the only thing a little bit different from a standard module is this one. At certain items you need to insert instrument. To maintain data integrity, we added this portal, so you will describe every instrument you put in, and you are gonna do that using this button, add. Add will open another window. This window is made of every detail of the instrument, so you will need to put in a name, which could be the acronym or maybe the long name, a description which is substantially what is the instrument, how it works, the type of instrument according to the protocol. It could be a clinical evaluation, a question, a tech tools, or a testing. The one who assessed it, so that could be a physician, a caregiver, a patient, and the cancer correlation, if the instrument is cancer specific, cancer generic, or non-cancer specific. After that, when you're okay, when you're happy with your data input, you can just click save. This window will close and you return to the previous module. So complete the module, and close the window. To review another paper, just repeat the steps described in this video. If you want to view a previous review, if you want to change, modify, or simply view what articles you have done, click on View My Reviews, and you will have the list made upon the code and the creation date, and in the future the title will be valorized. So you can just click on the code and you will push to the correct record of the database. So at this time you can modify the record. You cannot delete a record that you create, but you can modify endlessly until we decide that the review time is finished. So when you're done, just close FileMaker Pro. Now we're not going to do that, but I'm going to close just the application to let you see how to open the application the second time. The second time and all the times after that you go into Citrix and open FileMaker Pro, you can just use the function open recent. So open FileMaker Pro, click cancel on the splash screen, and then click File, open recent, Brain. You will see FM10 SRV, which means FileMaker Server, because the FileMaker Pro file it's hosted on FileMaker Server. Data are on the server. So this is the correct file to open. Should you have any problem, please contact me at my email alessandromarcocci@me.com. All this information will be written in the tutorial. Thank you for listening. After you have finished the session, you can just click on Start and disconnect it. That's it. Bye bye. Thank you.